Good morning, students. Yesterday we were revising chapter The Story of Narayan and Krishna. So only 3-4 questions we have discussed. So we will be continuing with question number third. Okay. So take out your literature books. Continue with the same chapter. We were discussing question number third. What are the difficulties that he faces in carrying out his noble mission? It means when Narayan Krishna was carrying out his noble mission, so what were the main obstacles, what were the main difficulties he had to face? So what were the main difficulties? So question number third, there is a word difficulties. So in answer third, I have told you that there is another word for difficulty. What was that word? Yes, obstacles, hurdles. So you have to find out the main obstacles or hurdles that he had to face while carrying out his noble mission. So what were the main difficulties? Lack of funds, lack of family support, and what was another difficulties that he had to face? Environment problem. See, he was carrying his noble mission and he was serving food to near about 400 people, and he had to cover 125 miles a day. And in that scorching heat, here you can use the word scorching, scorching heat. And what was the temperature at that time? 38 degrees Celsius. So in such kind of temperature, he had to travel in a donated van. In a donated van. And where was he residing? Where was he living? He was living in a kitchen. He had to spend his night in kitchen because he was not having another option. So he was so dedicated that he had to face all these obstacles and hurdles. Still, he was carrying out his noble mission. So with the help of all these points, you frame your answer. I can tell anybody to reply. Start writing. Okay, now Dharya, you just tell me what have you written in your answer. Come forward so that voice should be clear for online students. Come, now speak.
Krishnan and his team cover nearly 1,500 miles in a donated van. The group operations cost about 25,000 rupees a day, but sponsored donations only cover 22 days a month. Krishnan subsidized the shortfall with around 6,300 rupees he receives in monthly rent from a home his grandfather gave him. Krishnan sleeps in Aksha's modest kitchen with his few co-workers. He has taken no salary and subsists with the help of his one unsupportive parent.
Good. Very good. He has written so well. Now, Manyavit, you come forward and speak.
There are many obstacles Narayan Krishnan faces to carry out his noble mission. There is lack of money and funding. He has invested his entire savings and he has taken no salary. He and his team cover nearly 125 miles in a donated van, working in scorching heat with temperatures rising above 38 Celsius. Moreover, his parents too didn't support him. He had to face these hurdles. Still, no one can break his dedication towards his noble mission.
Good. Very well written. Your name is Divya. You come forward and speak your answer. You can stand here. You can show them your face. Speak.
There were many difficulties Narayanan Krishnan faced in carrying out his noble mission. There was lack of money and funding. The organization was forced to stop construction of Akshaya homes. Also, his parents didn't support him. He
Did
traveled,
not support him.
did not support him. He traveled very long miles in his donated van and cottage.
Good. Now, Ritika, you come and tell me this answer. Hmm? You are still writing. Okay, Navneet, your answer is ready. So you come forward and speak. Hurry up, come fast.
To carry out this noble mission, he faced a lot of problems and hurdles. One of such problems was lack of money and family support. He had to work in constant heat in a donated van to serve needy and poor people.
Good. Now from online students, Kavya, you tell me.
There were many difficulties Narayan Krishnan faced in carrying out his noble mission. The organization was forced to stop construction of Akshaya homes. He had financial problems, environmental problems, and also his parents didn't support him.
Okay, good. Now Titiksha, you tell me this answer. Yes, Titiksha. Yes, Titiksha.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. There were many difficulties that Narayanan Krishnan faces in carrying out his noble mission, as there were lack of funds and his parents didn't support him. There were also the environmental problems that do not allow Narayanan Krishnan to do this work, but he did. There was scorching heat of 38 degrees Celsius, in which he had to travel in a donated van to serve the needs to over 400 people in Madurai. Uh, because of the lack of funds, the organization has to stop the construction of Akshaya Trust.
Good. Okay. You have spoken so well. Now let's move to question number 4. Question number 4 is, how has his efforts been recognized? So you can pick up content from the very last paragraph of your chapter. Pick up content from there, that he was selected among the top 10 CNN heroes in 2010. And his life has been turned into a movie also. What was the name of that movie? Ustad Hotel. And the award he cherishes the most is the love and the blessings he gets from the people he serves. So for him, this is the best reward. But don't copy that content as it is. Take hints from that paragraph and start framing this answer in your own words and get ready. Okay, Manyavid, you tell me. Come here in front of screen. Yes.
Krishnan believes that no reward in the world is as best as the blessings and love from the people he serves. He is a great inspiration, but the world does recognize a hero when they see one. He was selected among the top 10 CNN heroes in 2010. His life has been turned into a movie called
Ustad.
Ustad Hotel to help people understand his passion and thoughts. He too, he is too, he is too, he is a true inspiration and motivation. Though he faced many hurdles, but still, no one can take his dedication towards this noble mission.
Good. Very well written. Now, Anshia, you come. All of you get ready with your content. I can call anybody to come here and speak. Come forward.
No rewards are big enough to repay what Narayan Krishnan is doing, but the world does recognize the hero when they see one. He was selected among the top CNN heroes in 2010. His life has been turned into a movie called Star Hotel, but the award he cherishes the most is the love and blessings he gets from the people he serves. For him, that's the best.
Good. Now, Gurupal, you come and speak. Hurry up. You have learnt. So come along with your content. Online students also get ready. I can tell any of the child to speak this answer, because this answer is very simple. Content is right in front of you. It is given in the last paragraph. You can pick up hints from there and frame a very good answer. So Gurupal, you come here and speak. He is not ready with his answer. You tell me this answer. Come forward.
No reward in the world big enough to repay what Narayan
Is big enough.
is big enough to repay what Narayan Krishnan is doing, but the world does recognize as hero when they see one helping other people. His efforts had been recognized in different ways, as he was selected among the two among the 10 CNN heroes in 2010. Also, his movie called Ustal Hotel to help people. The award cherishes that the most the love and blessing he gets from people.
Good. She has written correct. Now, okay, Garima, you speak your answer.
No reward in the world are big enough to repay what Narayan Krishnan is doing, but the world does recognize a hero when they see one. He was selected among the top 10 CNN heroes in 2010. His life has been turned into a movie called Star Hotels to help people understand his passion and thoughts.
Okay, good. Now let's move to question number 5. Describe a day in Narayan Krishnan's life. So when you'll be writing this answer, you have to use present tense, because still he is having same routine. He is serving poor people. Okay, so how does he start his day? The content is given on page number 90. You can get hints from there. Page number 90. See, on page number 90, it is given that third paragraph that Krishna's day begins at time, what time? At 4 a.m. Sorry. His day starts at 4 a.m. And how much distance does he cover? 125 miles a day. This distance is covered by him in donated van. And what is the temperature at that time? Above 38 degree Celsius. And he finds out poor and homeless people from the city's temple. So from where does he find out the people? From cities, temples, and yes, under the bridges. So near about how many people does he serve? Near about 400 people. And he also make them feel dignified by providing them extra, by providing haircut or shave, etc., so that they should feel dignified. So you pick up all these hints With the help of these hints, you frame this answer in your own words. Okay, so start writing. Now, Dipt Kirti, you tell me this answer. Dipt Kirti.
The Narayan Krishnan's day begins at the 4 a.m. He daily covered 125-mile distance at above 38 degrees Celsius temperature in a donated van. He himself cooked and packed the food for 400 people. He found people in the city temple and under the bridges. He also dignified them by giving haircut and shave, etc.
Your answer was correct, but you have used wrong verb because you have to write down this answer using present tense. You were using past because still these actions are being going on. Okay, still he is serving poor and homeless people. So you have to write down in present that how does he begin his days. Otherwise, good. Now, Riyanshika, you tell me this answer.
Narayanan Krishnan's day begins at 4 a.m. He and his team covers 125 miles a day. He works in temperatures hovering above 38 degrees Celsius. He seeks out the homeless in the nooks and crannies of the city. He prepares the food himself and serves it to the needy people. He also carries a comb, scissors, and razor. He provides haircut to the homeless people that gives extra dignity to them.
Good. Very well spoken. Now, Tanveen Kaur, you tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Krishnan's day begins at 4 a.m. He and his team cover nearly 125 miles in a donated van, routinely working in temperatures hovering above 38 degrees Celsius. He seeks out the homeless under bridges and between the nooks and crannies of the cities or temples. He personally prepares, packs, and often hand feeds the simple, tasty vegetarian food to nearly 400 needy people each day in Madurai. Also, to give rise to their personality, he provides a proper shape to them.
Good. Very well spoken. Now, Krishna, you tell me your answer.
Krishna's day starts at 4 a.m. He covers 125 miles. Covers 125 miles in donated van, scorching temperature 38 degrees Celsius. He founded people in cities, temples, under the bridges. He served near 400 people. He carries combs and scissors and knows 7 haircut styles. He provides haircut and shave to homeless people.
He provides you use correct form. You have to use present tense. Use present tense in your answer. Navneet, you come.
Narayan Krishnan's day begins at 4 a.m. that brings joy to the homeless people. He covers nearly 125 miles in a donated van under scorching heat to provide food to the homeless people sitting under the bridges and outside the temples. He also provides grooming to the people so they can feel clean and dignified.
Good. Now let's begin question number 6. Why does he feel that the underprivileged need his help more than anything? Why do you think that why does he feel like that underprivileged people need his help more than anything? Yes, because that is his mentality that he thinks that their heart also beats, their stomach also needs food. Yes, and these people are so neglected that nobody is looking after them, nobody is caring them, taking care of them. They They do not have family support. Yes, very good. Now let's make value points of this answer. Hints for these answers. These hints are given on page number 91, second last paragraph. Okay. See, people on the streets have no hope. They have no hope to live. Okay. They also need care and love. They also need support. He thinks that they too have a heart that beats, and they too have a stomach that needs. They too have a heart that beats, and they too have a stomach that needs. So he has full belief in humanity. So pick up. They also have emotions and feelings. So this is the mentality of Narayan Krishnan. So you pick up all these hints, and with the help of these hints, you start framing your answer. Yes. Yes. So start framing this answer and raise your hands. Okay, Vanessa from HOD, you come forward and tell me your answer.
He thinks so because they have a heart that beats and stomach that beats. He believes that the people on the street have no hope to live a luxury life. All they need the touch of care and support.
Luxurious life.
They do have emotions and feelings that believe in humanity.
Elaborate with more lines, otherwise it's okay. Sit down. Okay, you come.
Krishna is a great inspiration to us all as he believes in serving people for free. He has no other objective except for loving and caring for them. The people on the streets have no hope to live a luxurious life. All they need is a touch to show that we care. Many people often ignore them as street parasites and forget that they too have a heart that beats and a stomach with needs. Krishna's thoughts and beliefs in humanity is a great message for us all who would rather throw food in the bin than serve it to those who need it.
Good. Very good. He has spoken so well. He has added some line that the people would rather throw food in the bin instead of serving poor. And it happens with so many people. Okay, Navneet, you come.
Yes, poor people needs our love and care because they have emotions and need the support to survive their life. They have a heart that beats and a stomach that needs. He believes in humanity that we all should learn from.
Good. Very good. Very well written. Now, Jia Mago, you tell me this answer. Yes, beta.